How do I add an effect to a project? You have a project with a video. You want to use sequence images effect. You have two ways. 1. Open the effects in a new panel and transfer to the timeline. Then a folder with files will be created in the project with your video. Or 2. Move the effects inside your video project. And also by simply transferring them to the timeline. What should I do if the effect is added partially to the timeline? In order for the effects to be added correctly to the timeline, you need to check this block of tools. Enable. How to use effects. When you added effects to the timeline, you made sure that they work correctly. You can't customize them. There are 2 layers for this. In the first, Posterize Time makes a freeze frame. I will talk about this effect further. Fast color corrector tones the background. Tint, black and white background. Fast blur, blurred background. Tint, image, enables a black and white effect for the top image. Luma key, if the effect is turned on, activates the photo background. Turned off, makes a black background. By mixing different effects, you can achieve the best result for yourself, and experienced users can add their own effects, copy masks, and get a unique result. Posterize Time doesn't work? Let's turn on this effect. Premiere Pro for freeze frame takes the very first frame from your video. If you need a freeze frame at the beginning or at the end of the effect overlay, you need to create a nest. We cut the video at the beginning and end of the effect. Create a nest and everything works correctly. Work crookedly. If the image is not synchronized with the overlay, then you have a frame rate of 24 or 30 in your project. This can be fixed in a simple way. We cut the video at the beginning and end of the effect. Creating a nest. We find nest in the project and change the frame rate by 25 frames per second. It works. I hope these effects will help make your videos better. Thanks.